First of all, introduce yourselves.
Hey, what's up? I'm Charlotte from New Zealand.
I'm Sarah from Vancouver.
And what are you doing here?
We're here to check out Inboard.
Right here.
Okay, I have no idea if that intro sequence worked because I haven't filmed anything yet, but I'm hoping to have an overlay of what happened today, and hopefully it's awesome. As you know, my story with Inboard, if you've been watching the vlog as of last year, has been quite storied. I've had my ups and downs with the skateboard. Here's a couple examples. But even through all of that, the Inboard just does so many things that I like, that the competitors just don't do. So that leads me to going this way. Have an Inboard, you're going to want to stay tuned. If you've been looking at electric skateboards, you're going to want to stay tuned. Basically, just stay tuned. Hello! Okay, so I've been filming some stuff. I want to start this though by saying that I'm at Boarder Labs in Vancouver, the hub for electric skateboards, if you're ever interested. Also, it's an Inboard demo. So they're here for today to showcase and show off electric skateboards. I like the Inboard. I've been pretty outspoken about the Inboard and what they offer for the market. I just want to be very, very clear. There is no paid endorsement, anything like that. This is just me showcasing the Inboard crew here today in Vancouver. There's some amazing footage. This guy Troy, insane. So enjoy some electric skateboard footage. I think I just made it worse. I've got first time electric skateboard rider. Say hey and tell me your name.
Hey, I'm Jacob and I just tried it for the first time. It's honestly like unbelievable. It's like cruising down a hill uncontrollably, but you're in control. You'll get the hang of it in like at least half a day and you'll be like going at top speed. And
you'll be ripping. You used it for how many minutes do you think?
Like probably 10.
10 minutes and you feel comfortable on it?
Yeah.
Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for trying it out.
And,
thank you for being on the vlog.
I think I'm gonna grab one.
Yeah, another rider. Another rider. So to ensure that I don't show favoritism to just Inboard or anything like that, I've got Kevin here. I think he's a boosted rider for a year.
$1,500.
$1,500. Wow.
Yeah,
holy crap. He's got my Instagram community Van City eSkate sticker right here. I want you to explain why you chose boosted.
Okay. Since I'm not taking university in Vancouver, I needed a board that can take air travel. And Evolve was out of the question because you can remove the battery. I was also looking for something that was pretty fast, pretty torquey.
Adrenaline junkie.
Yeah, so kind of boost was my only choice at the moment. So that's why.
What's your favorite thing about it, and what is the #1 thing that you would love them to do in the future?
What I like about it, it's built like a tank. I've ridden it in rain, in snow. Yeah, I've ridden it everywhere, ridden class just for fun, you know. And then what I would like them to change, basically, if they can make the trucks, if they built them out of aluminum or titanium, so that they wouldn't rust.
So that's the only thing. Ideal
Yeah.
Boosted is aluminum or titanium trucks. We got a Boosted lover. Kevin, thank you for giving me a Boosted
Yeah, no problem.
opinion, because I have not ridden Boosted like Kevin has. Well, look at this, look at this. I told you, Troy, just killing it. It's the craziest guy I've ever met. I'm gonna introduce him in a little bit, if I can ever get him off one of these things. Yeah. Yes! Just in case you were wondering, I was sitting down on the skateboard and he went around. He's crazy. Give me one of these.
Yeah!
Troy, the crazy man. I still have to introduce you.
Wow.
Go, yeah, just standing heels and you'll go back, stay on your toes and you'll go forward like right. I found somebody. Somebody just showed up. Alex!
Hi!
How you doing?
Truck!
Canada Post.
I guess I'll take this off. Freaking bike messenger work.
So this is Troy. This is the crazy guy that two skateboards at the same time. What do you call those power slides? What do you call those power drifts? Is there like a what do
It's
you
like a
call them?
180 power slide, and then
With
a
the
switch
remote? Like-
return. Yeah, with the remote.
Like-
So I trigger it so I get a little bit of spin out of the wheels, and then that way I can perform the slide a little easier.
And then what happens when you perform the slide and go forward instead of backwards?
That way the board goes away from you, and then you kind of go off the backside of it, which I did once.
And this is what that looks like. Now, I wanted to introduce you quickly because you're the North American champ? What are you?
2016 North American downhill champion.
Longboard, how fast did you go on a longboard?
I went about 130 kilometers an hour on a longboard down a road in the United States.
130. I do skeleton. I've hit 140 on a skeleton sled. I can tell you that's fast, and I would never do it on a skateboard. Certifiably insane. And how long have you been riding?
I've been riding skateboards since I was 3 years old, for 23 years, and then I've been longboarding for almost 10 years now.
He's taking off now. You're going to Kimberley?
I'm going to Kimberley to defend my title from the last two previous years.
Unreal.
It's the second longest running race in all of North America. It's called the Sullivan Challenge. It's held in Kimberley, BC, every July long weekend. And I'm going back to defend my title.
Unreal. We're going to have some more stuff in the vlog with Troy. We're going to go for rides and stuff, right?
Oh yeah, much more stuff to come in the
Sweet.
future. I plan on doing group rides, working with Rob super closely as much as we can. Electric skateboarding is taking off in Vancouver, and get some group rides going and get some events happening.
Troy, go kill it this weekend. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you for shredding.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good luck,
Have
Troy.
fun.
Okay, see you guys. See ya. Nice to meet you guys. Take it easy. See ya. I get my hope with the vlog today with this was just to show Inboard again and show that they're active in the community and they're trying to grow that essence, and they're traveling and they're showcasing skateboards for people. And I like that, and I like a lot of the things about the Inboard. If you've watched any of my videos, I'm going to link my playlist of Inboard. You'll see my struggles, my pros and cons behind it. But at the end of the day, it still reigns supreme just for a bunch of the reasons that I've listed in previous vlogs, but the big ones being that the battery is truly swappable and it takes like virtually no time to do it. The hub motors I really like versus anything else. The complaints I have are the connectivity between the Bluetooth remote and the skateboard. It cuts out every once in a while. It's stiff, which is a pro and a con in its own right. When you're going faster, it feels stable. We just had Alex going in the advanced setting, and first time in the advanced setting flying. How did you feel?
as someone who doesn't really ride these boards very often, I find the inboard to be pretty comfortable to ride as a beginner. Like, the faster I go with it, the more comfortable I feel. I'm still working at it, but it feels pretty smooth, you know, I like it. You know, it's an investment, so it's nice when you're able to actually try it out and see what it's like, you know, before you buy it. So yeah, it was cool. I was able to ride it.
And that's a good
Sweet
segue
board.
into something that I don't really know how to address or bring up. Is I've started an Instagram page, which I would love if everyone checked out if it fits what you're doing. And what it is just a place for riders in and around Vancouver to link up and share videos and stories and tips and tricks of how to ride the board and what works for you, as well as I will be reposting videos and getting content out there for riders, hopefully that spans outside of Vancouver as well. So if you're just an electric skateboard rider in general and you ride anything, Evolve, Inboard, Mellow, you have a DIY, anything like that, please go follow along and send me videos and clips, because right now I only have what I have, which is Inboard, and I've been posting a lot of Inboard heavy, but I want it to be spanning everything where we can create a sweet community. I don't know what else to say.
I would love to see more events like this, just like, you know, kind of trying out different boards, seeing what they're like, see what you like, kind of thing.
So Boosted,
Yeah.
if you see it,
I would just love to see
come out
it.
to Vancouver.
Yeah.
Evolve, same thing.
I'm glad I got the chance to ride it again. It's like fast.
Get your sea legs again.
Yeah. I'm just so tense, just I learn to loosen up.
Yeah,
That's all it
you're
is.
allowed to move your body from the waist up when you're riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. You don't have to.
And I was actually just waiting for you to say I'm allowed to.
Okay, yeah, my neck cracked. Yeah, you're
Thank
absolutely
you. Okay,
allowed. Yeah.
I was waiting. I just wanted your permission.
You have my permission,
Right.
and you also have the permission of your good interest,
Appreciate
your
that, yeah.
well-being.
Exactly.
Okay, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna cut to a clip of you riding off into the distance, just hopefully loose, but most likely stiff.
A little voice inside my head said, don't look back, you can never look back. I thought I knew what love was, what did I know? Those days are gone forever, I should just let him go, but I can see you, the brown skin shining in the sun.